iOS 18 now lets you record and transcribe phone calls directly from the phone app. Here's how you can use this feature step by step. When you make or receive a call, you'll see a record button at the top left of the screen. Tap the record button to start recording. A message will play.
This call will be recorded.
This message is automatic and cannot be turned off. It ensures both parties are informed about the recording. A small audio waveform will show on the screen, indicating the recording is in progress. You can stop recording by either hanging up the call, which will automatically stop the recording, or tapping stop manually before ending the call. After the call ends, the recording is automatically saved in the Notes app. Open Notes to find the file listed with the call details. Tap on the recording in Notes to play back the conversation. To view the transcript, tap on the note. It will show a breakdown of the conversation with who said what. The transcript is searchable in the Notes app. Use keywords to find specific conversations later. Recording and transcribing calls with iOS 18 is easy and efficient. Now, you can keep track of important conversations or easily refer back to call details.